Hello again, my friends. Today I want to give you an idea about sandwich. Doesn't matter you are vegan or not vegan, so you can have this idea. And for example, if you make a Persian style spaghetti, we make the spaghetti in Persian style such as a little bit similar rice. It is so yummy, so yummy. But you know, sometimes, for example, today I have leftover. It is not enough for one meal, but it is enough to make a very yummy sandwich. So I decided to share with you and learn how to make a spaghetti sandwich. Maybe it is a little weird for you, but it is really yummy. And I used to eat that when I was very little boy, and I could buy from sandwich shops in my original country. I mean, it is just such as nostalgia, and just I want to share with you. And I think it is a good idea. Sometimes, if you make a Persian spaghetti, you can have sandwich as well. So let's do it together and see how we can make very yummy sandwich. Okay, here already I diced my tomatoes, onion, and salted cucumber. I already make it ready my sandwich bread and make it very warm, my Persian spaghetti, and it is ready to make the sandwich. And it is so yummy. If you don't know how to make the Persian spaghetti, you can go to the end of this video and see the recipe. So yum. It is much better than sandwich, buying sandwich from outside, because it's much healthier. Comparing with McDonald's or KFC or something, this is much healthier and rich of protein, because inside has lots of protein. So I really love it. Let's try it. Please go and watch my spaghetti Persian style and learn it how to make it, and enjoy that spaghetti for sandwich or for just eating normal way. Thank you for watching.